Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete your subscriptions with Cubasis. In order to do so, first off with Cubasis, if you go to the shop and you look through the options here, you are not going to find anything related to subscriptions with Cubasis. The reason being is because Cubasis only does one-time purchases. There are no specific subscriptions that can be purchased with Cubasis. If you have a general inquiry about canceling subscriptions on your iOS device, in order to do so, you can go to your settings and you go to your profile information here at the top, and then you'll see the option here that says subscriptions. If you click on that, then from here, you can go through and you can delete whichever subscriptions you have. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.